Next, solve another question in exercise 5.4. Question number 10. Find the equation of line whose x-intercept are known. Consider this line in this way. Consider this line. Its x-intercept are known. X-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is on the this axis, x-axis. Y-intercept is 0. X-intercept are given in the question and which is perpendicular to the line, and this line passes through the point, and which is perpendicular to the line this line equation, this line are perpendicular. This line equation is 3x. This line equation is 3x minus y plus 23 is equal to 0. Then our question is find the equation of this line. You have studied the only one point on the line. Then next find the value of this slope of this line, and then use the slope point formula and you find the equation of this line. In this way solve the question. First you know the equation of line. The equation of line is given 3x minus y plus 23 is equal to 0. Its slope is use the formula minus a divided by b. Its slope is minus a divided by b. The next put the value of a and b. The next value of a is take x coefficient, value is 3 minus sign, and take water coefficient, value is minus 1. The next value is minus plus. The next its slope of this equation, slope of this line is m is equal to 3. The next which line are passes through the point. The next these two lines are perpendicular to line. Therefore slope of required line is take its reciprocal and minus sign. The next value is given, slope of this line is plus 3. The next consider denominator 1 and take reciprocal, value is 1 divided by 3. The next take minus sign. Therefore slope of required line is minus 1 divided by 3. We know the x-intercept. Therefore the x-intercept is given in the question. Therefore x-intercept is 3. Therefore this line pass through the point. This line pass through the point. Coordinates are 3 0. Then use the formula, slope point formula. The next our slope point formula is y minus y1. Our slope point formula is y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. Then next put this value of x1. Consider this value is x1 and this value is y1. The next put this value in this equation. The next we get y minus y1, value is y1 is 0 is equal to equation of a required line slope, value is minus 1 divided by 3. Slope are given. The next multiply in form x minus x1, value of x1 is plus x1 is plus 3. Then next take this minus sign. Then next take this division 4 into the left hand side. Value is take this subtraction. Y minus 0 is y. Then next take this multiplication. Value is plus 3y. Value is plus 3y is equal to minus 1 multiplied by x. Multiplication is minus x. Then next minus multiply minus. Multiplication is plus 3. Then next take this x into the left hand side. Then we get the value. Value is plus x. Then take this in plus 3y. Then take constant term into the left hand side, because our general form of equation of line is ax plus by plus c. Then take constant term into the left hand side. Value is plus 3. Take the left hand side. Value is minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of this line. Write this equation: x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. The next, check the answer with the help of this equation. Our slope of this line is minus a divided by b. The next minus a value is minus 1 and divided by b value is 3. Therefore our condition is verified. This is the required equation. This is the required equation of this line, and answer is correct. Next, solve question number 13 in exercise 5.4. Find the distance between the parallel line. Equation are given. Consider this is first line. Equation of this line is 4x minus 3y plus 5u is equal to 0, and take second line parallel to this line. Equation of this line is 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. These two lines are parallel to each other. The next, find the distance between these two lines. Find the distance between these two lines. This distance is perpendicular to first line and second line. We know the two lines are parallel. Then x coefficient and y coefficient, x coefficient and y coefficient are equal, or multiple of this number. Next, consider example. Multiple of this number is 4 multiplied by 2. Value is 8x. Then next 4 multiplied by 2. Then next second term multiplied by 2. Equation is minus 3 multiplied by 2. Equation is minus 6x. Then next minus plus 5 multiplied by 2. Multiplication is 10. These two lines are again parallel. Only this x term and y terms are in multiplication form. Then next, divide this equation is term by 2. Then we get the first equation, and x term coefficient and y term coefficients are equal. Then find the distance between parallel line by using the formula. Then comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, both equation, then we get value of a is equal to 4. Value of a is equal to 4 given in question, and value of b is equal to, take y coefficient, value of b is given, b is equal to minus 3. The next, take this, comparing this equation with ax1 plus by1 plus c1 is equal to 0. The next, value of c1 is equal to constant term, value is 5, and comparing this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to, therefore we get the value of c2 is equal to c1. Then use the formula. Therefore distance between parallel line parallel line is equal to absolute value of or mod of absolute value of or mod of C1 minus C2 C1 minus C2 divided by C1 minus C2 divided by square root of A square divided by square root of A square plus B square plus B square plus B square. Then next put this value of this variable in this equation, then get calculation. This formula is taken as C2 minus C1 because minus sign are given. Then next take this value outside the absolute value. Then next or modulus. Then next its value are positive. Then next C1 value of C1 is 5. C1 is 5 and value of C2 are C1. Then next 5 minus C1 divided by square root of A square. Value of A is 4 square plus value of B is minus 3 square. The next take this calculation, distance between two parallel line. 5 minus C1 value is modulus of 2 divided by square root of value is divided by square root of absolute value of is value is 4 square value is 16 4 square 16. The next plus minus 3 square, addition is minus plus, square is plus 9. Therefore is equal to value is mod of minus 2 divided by square root of 16 plus 9 value is 25. Then next take this in square root sign, outside the square root sign. The next value is minus 2 divided by plus or minus 5 divided by plus or minus 5. Then take this into the absolute value or modulus. The next value is plus, take outside the value is plus. The next value is 2 divided by 5. Therefore distance between the parallel line is 2 divided by 5.